I am filming you.
What for?
Why are you being so hostile?
I'm not being hostile. I'm asking you a question.
Yeah, well, no, you're not being very nice about it.
Neither are you.
All right! NastyNathanial out here in Tokyo, Japan. And right now I'm going to be conducting a Japanese audit of the Church of Scientology's Tokyo Ideal Org. Yeah! We're going to make sure that our friends at the Church of Scientology here in the land of the rising sun respect and honor my constitutionally protected rights under Japanese law to take photos and videos in public. And hopefully Poe on the Go will approve of this audit. Sign right there lets us know exactly where we are. This is Scientology of Tokyo. I'm assuming that Japanese maybe writing says like means Tokyo Ideal Org. I don't know. I don't read or speak Japanese. If there's any of my Japanese viewers watching, or if I have any Japanese viewers, maybe you guys can tell me what that says. I highly doubt it says Hamburger Mary's. Although, I don't know, maybe Hamburger Mary's has a presence here in Tokyo. What do you say about that, Mary? So yeah, folks, this is it. This is the Scientology Tokyo Ideal Org. It's here in the Shinjuku section of Tokyo. Hi! How you doing?
Great.
What's this? Oh, wow.
It's personality analysis.
Oh, wow. This is
You can check this out.
Oh, okay, great. Awesome. And what is your name?
Maki.
Maki? How you doing, Maki?
Great.
Nice to meet you. No, I'm a vlogger.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I kind of have a fetish for Scientology, and so I wanted to film I just want to film the outside of the building. Is that okay, or?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, awesome, cool.
Yeah, check that out.
All right, great, thank you. All right. Well, that's good. We're off to a good start. This is, I'm assuming that's for stress tests. And we got the ad here for Scientology TV. All right. So this org was actually opened in...
What? The Scientology Tokyo organization was opened in 2015. Come on, Nathaniel, get it together.
And as the opening of most orgs in the United States and around the world, they had a big ceremony with different, important figures, Japanese figures, that is. I mean, I don't think they would have Lebanese figures attending the opening of the Tokyo Dome. Not dome, but org. So you got some books. Looks like these are all in Japanese. Oh, well, that one's in English. Oh, so I really like how they're being pretty open and friendly. We got the basic study manual there. Oh, so yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should go in there and get me a souvenir. I got somebody there at the front desk. So it's similar to a lot of other orgs that you see, got like the reception area, and then so yeah, let's I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit, see how they do, see if they respect public filming, because if they don't, well, I might have to stick chosen on them. Alright, looks like we got a handsome gentleman right there. Alright, well, this wouldn't be a NastyNathanial video without a handsome alert. I think I might have to issue him a handsome alert. And then we got, all right, over here we got the reception area. Okay, she's greeting people, and all right. Oh, she's gonna come out and talk to me? Oh, well, yeah. Looks like we're gonna get a... Hi! Hi, how are you? I can't hear you, I'm sorry. Oh, just outside.
Outside.
Yeah, yeah, how are you doing today? Oh, yeah, 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 I saw the brochure. May I ask your name? I'm Nate. What was, I can't... What was that, can I... Oh, no, I couldn't hear you. Okay, awesome. So, yeah, it's very nice. Like a plush hotel, and then we got handsome. Hi, ooh, that's handsome. All right. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
You're very handsome.
Oh, thank you. You do.
Oh, well, thank you. Wow,
Where
appreciate
you
it.
from?
I'm from California.
Oh, California. Welcome here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you? How long have you been in Scientology?
I've been like 5-6 years.
Oh, really? How's it working out for you? You like it?
Yeah, I like it. That's why I'm working here.
Oh, so you're on staff?
Yes.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, I visited many orgs. I've been to Flag.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
I've been to Los Angeles.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Chicago. Yeah, really nice. You know, just real quick question. Do you know Parker Osman? Parker Osman?
No sure.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. He's a very high-profile Scientologist.
I think I have his name.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool.
All right.
Well, yeah. I just want to finish up, get a few little pictures of the
yeah.
outside, and then I'll be on my way.
All right.
I got a train to catch, so.
All right.
Hey,
Have a
thank
nice
you for
day.
being very nice. I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys.
No worries.
Wow.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too, sir. Take care. Wow, this is really great, folks. This is a very nice place. Definitely a lot more welcoming than they are in LA. I'm sure Odo can attest to that. Wouldn't you, Odo? So here they got the little cafe, a little reception area where maybe you can get you a margarita on the rocks. I know I can't do an audit without making some kind of reference to a margarita. We got somebody there. I wonder if she just sucked her back a few. And yeah, so far pretty welcoming here. I think this is going to end up being a pass, folks. I think I'm going to have to give the Church of Scientology Tokyo big A+ pass. They did it right here. Well, I think we're going to go ahead and wrap this audit up. I've been here for a hot minute, and it is kind of hot outside, so I'm not just saying that to have something to say. But if you stuck around for the whole thing, you saw what happened. Scientology Tokyo, they did it right. So I'm going to give them a big A+ pass. You know, they didn't threaten police or try to, get physical with me or anything like that, like you've seen during some of my other Scientology audits from many moons ago. But yeah, other than the one lady who tried to say no photos, once I told her I was, filming outside, she backed off pretty quickly. So all in all, I'm going to give everyone here, I'm going to give the whole audit as a whole big A+ pass. But of course, wow, the lemon sours are already kicking in. I'm going to go ahead and give Scientology Tokyo a pass. But as always, if you folks feel differently, please say so in your comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. NastyNathanial, signing off, and until next time, may the audits, or the Japanese margaritas, be with you, whatever that may be. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate all of your support.
A few moments later.
I thought this audit was over, but it appears that I got this gentleman here who's following me. I saw him run out of the building, and first I thought maybe he was leaving, but it looks like he's trying to see where I'm going. Yeah, I think this one might not be over, folks. Yeah, there he is. Oh yeah, he's definitely following me.